rollback. So rollback works only in that session. Like once you close, then you cannot roll back. You have to delete the record. Okay. Now we'll see some. So you have everything now, right? Okay, I'm gonna. I'm gonna copy this one, and I'll get everything so that we'll do some SQL queries. Okay, now let's see this one. This select statement. Okay, this select statement. Okay, select birth date and address from employee, where F name equal to John, middle initial B, and last name Smith. You get this one. So I'm trying that again, but instead of Smith, I'm gonna just lowercase. I'm not getting anything here because it is capital. So whatever the database, it's all uppercase characters. But when you search with lowercase, you may not get anything. So this is valid only inside, VACA characters. Like if you change anything, like middle initial, if you put capital M, capital I, it's okay. So these values, it's not case sensitive, only the VACA, the record, what is inside the database, that is case sensitive. Okay? Okay, let's see one more query. Okay, so if you go to employees table, you may have something called salary, right? Okay, so let's see. Select salary from employee. Okay, so here now what I want is, I wanted to get the employee's first name and their, okay, so find the first name of the employees, their salary is greater than, let's see, 25,000. Okay, how can I do this one? Select F name from employee, where clause salary yeah, because I did not I did not terminate this comment, that's the reason. Okay, now it should work. Okay, select, because every time I start this comment, but I did not do the termination now. Okay, select fname from employee where salary is greater than 25,000. Okay, say these are the employees, their salary is greater than 25,000. Okay, we'll try to do some aggregate function. Okay, so now what I need to do is, I need to find, find the total salary of department 1 employees. Do we have any department 1 employees? Department 5, 4. Okay, department 5 employees. Department 5 employees. Okay, so here I need the total salary of the department 5 employees. So my output is going to be how many records here? Only one, right? I just need the total salary of department 1 employee. Like, let's see now here John and Franklin department 1. I just need the addition of their salaries. Okay, so select department number, DN. Is that DN? Yes, DN now, comma salary from employee. Okay, so here department salary. So what is the salary? We need to find the total, right? Sum of the salary. Not salary, it should be sum of the salary. From employee where D number equal to 5. Okay, so what else we need here? Okay, what else we need here? Is this work? This gonna work?
No.
No, right? Because every time, so here department number, sum of the salary. So each department, this is gonna find like in here, maybe there are 4 departments. So department 1, sum of the salary. Department 2, sum of the salary. So you have to, every time, when you have aggregate function like sum or average, total, count or anything, you have to make sure that you have a group by clause. Group by, okay, the main thing is whenever you have aggregate function, you have to have group by. What is group by here? Department number, right? Every time if you have anything, fname or anything, other than this one, every field is gonna be here, other than the aggregate field. So group by department number. Okay, see department number 5, salary, total salary is like this. Okay, let's say now we need to find total salary of all the departments. what modification we have to change here? Not only department number 5, we have to have department 1 to 5, or all the departments. But what we have to change here? Yeah, we don't need this one, right? We don't need where clause. Okay, so select department number from employee. We don't need this one. Group by department number. So we have 3 departments. Department 1, 5 and 4, and the total salary. Okay. What if we have something like this? Find the department numbers or D numbers. The total salary is greater than 100,000. Okay, so see, now we have 3 departments. Department 1, we don't know how many employees, but the total salary is 55,000. Department 5, total salary is this much. 4, total salary is this much. So we have 3 departments. These are the total salaries. But now I need to find not all the department total salaries, only the total salaries where the total salary is greater than this amount. Okay. So we know only department 5, this is going to be the output, right? Okay, but can you write the query for that one? So the only thing is there is an additional condition. How you put this condition? Yeah. Why is having not where clause? What is the difference between where clause and the having clause?
You can put where clause on any select statement, but having statement comes when we are grouping by the any attribute and putting condition on that.
Okay, so here, so can we put where clause for this one? Where? So you mean like select department number, sum of the salary from employee, where salary is greater than 100,000? It's gonna work? Okay, I'm not gonna write the query, but this is the thing, like this condition is, what is this condition? Salary, right? So that is this one. The condition is for the aggregate function, right? Whenever you have condition for aggregate function, we have to use having clause. Okay? Right? But here the condition department number, this one. This is not the aggregate function, right? So whenever we have a condition for just a field, that is where, when we have condition for aggregate function, that's we need having clause. So here, select the same thing. I'm gonna select department number, sum of the salary from employee. We have to have group by having So you are very clear about what is having clause. So this is one of the requirement here. Okay, so this having should come always with group by. If you don't have group by, you don't have having. Okay, so the condition of group by is having, and the condition of just field is where clause. Okay, can you find this one? Find the employees. Their first name starts with J. So you just need the first names of the employee. Starts with J. What's the word you're gonna use here?
Like.
Right. Did you use to okay. Okay, so did you create a user? Did you create? I think you have to create what? So you never use this one, right? Okay, I'll deal with this one. Okay, just put create user. Create user. And space any user number. Your user, yeah, that is because you are creating a user now. Space identified by IDTM TI FIED space by now the password. Okay, this one is fine. Did you guys create? Okay, select F name. From employee where F name like. Okay, so here case sensitive or case insensitive? Case sensitive, right? It should be kept there. Okay, so it starts with J, but after that it can be anything else. So I just put the percentage mark. Okay. So here in the like, it starts with J, so it can have anything after that. So that is percentage mark. Okay. Let's see like the same thing. Select F name from employee. Okay, the first letter should be J and it's like ends with S or something. So, I mean, if it's more than one character, you always put percentage, right? Okay, it's only James. What if it is only one character? Select F name employee. Let's say it starts with J-O, but there should be anything but ends with N, something like this. So this is like underscore. So it can be J, it should be J, O, and something here. It can be I, O, H, or anything else. So it is underscore. So here we are checking only one character. In this case, it can be any number of characters. Okay. Say John. Okay. Okay. So we'll do some complex queries next time. But I think here only thing you need to know is like group by and inner queries. So we'll go through some inner queries and join next time. But your phase 3 is due Friday. So try to submit by Friday, and still you can resubmit it. So I may not grade right away.